Hello YouTube, Rick Deal here with a final part of my 20-part series. This one is just going to cover mostly the different types of books that I have in my collection that are concerned to Rubik's Cubes and Twisty Puzzles and that kind of stuff. And there's also a few more cubes at the end there I forgot to show. So here we go. Warful Rubik's Cube. We have the Rubik's Cube Compendium along with 101 uses for a dead cube. Solving the Cube, Price Stern Sloan. You have Cracking the Cube, the newer book. Jeff Conquers the Cube, like 5 of those. Solve That Crazy Mixed Up Cube Puzzle. You have a Speed Solving the Cube. And have You Can Kick the Cube, the Cube Hater's Handbook, the Ultimate Cube Solution, and this has pictures of the Ultimate Cube, but it also has pictures of a puzzle that they never made, and it was called the Impossible Puzzle. So that was pretty neat to find that. The Simple Solution to Cubic Puzzles and the Simple Solution to Rubik's Magic. The Simple Solution to the Pyramid and the Simple Solution to Rubik's Cube. You got the Official Solution of Alexander Star. Making Rubik's Magic. Quick Tricks, Super Shapes, and Problem Solved. You have Not Another Cube Book. Dedicated to the nation of a cube-free world. Yeah, like that's gonna happen. You Can Do the Cube. Rubik's Revenge. This one by Amin Tai. I think I spelled the name, said the name right. Okay, Puzzle It Out. Cube Groups and Puzzles. There's a $1 billion barrel there. That's pretty cool. 10 billion barrel. We have the Conquer That Cube. Mastering Rubik's Cube. I don't know, like 8 or 9 of those. I don't just buy them, I just sometimes I get them with other sets and stuff, and I buy like a lot on eBay. That's a lot of 10 things, and that's usually one of the things that's on there, so I have so many of those. The Complete Cube Book by Roger I don't even want to say that name. I don't want to embarrass myself, and I don't want to insult him. Jeffrey Adams, Rubik's Revenge. Gotcha, Rubik's Cube. Philip Morales, A Cubic Circular. This one is from the spring of 1982. We have Unscramble the Cube and A Practical Solution to Rubik's Magic. Alright, we have the Handbook of Cubic Math. Mastering Rubik's Revenge. The New Challenge Cube Game, 92 Puzzles and Solutions by Don Taylor and Leanne Rylands. Rubik's Cube Magic. Magic Snake Shapes. Adventures in Group Theory. Rubik's Revenge. The Simplest Solution. Rubik's Revenge Puzzle. And Solving the Magic Pyramid. Now, I thought my island was going to be enough for the books I had, but no, it wasn't. So we have to come over here. And down over here we have the Art of the Cube. How big is 43 quintillion? Puzzle patterns. Puzzles, old and new, and how to make and solve them. You have Rubik's Puzzles. The Cube. Dissolving Rubik's Cube. The Ultimate Solution. 666 Silly Schemes to Scramble the Magic Snake. The Book of Ingenious and Diabolical Puzzles. an American, Scientific American with a Rubik's Cube on the top, on the front. Alexander Star Puzzle, and the ideal solution for the Rubik's Cube. Here's a couple of more things I have I didn't show before. It's a beat the blast. Just gotta scramble that cube up or get it a certain way, unscramble it. Hey, they gave another Rubik's Cube UFO. A Rubik's Golf Cube, but not Rubik's brand. So they put that other brand. A Just Box. Rubik's Games. Another game for the computers. And then I have these over here. My Mondadori Gyochi. So, and the 15 Kibo. The Kibo Master. Looks like an impossible puzzle. I mean the Ultimate Cube. Looks like it to me. We have a Babylon Tower. Same thing.